Today's project, we gotta fix our jump. So what happened was I caught a stump on this side when I was turning out to this side, and it just broke it right there. Didn't rip it all the way off, but it was close. I went and cut it all the way off and fitted it, and we'll put these braces on here, and then we're gonna put some more back to the main beam. And this is an old one. This is probably 12 years old. We pulled this one. So I'm gonna weld that up today, and then Scott's got to build a what are you building today?
Vanity for your wife.
What? Good luck.
See that board there?
Yeah.
Went all over the farm looking for one between.
Yeah.
Look over here. One leaning up in the corner there.
There's stuff all over the farm. There's stuff all over. So it's got to look rustic, huh? So it goes an old 120-year-old barn over there. So there's a half bath in there that needs a sink in it and stuff. So he's gonna build us a little vanity or whatever.
Before picture here.
Yeah, before picture. Yeah, that's it right there. Call it good. See if that passes inspection or not.
Hey, I have to look at the sawhorses over in there.
Oh yeah. More nice. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. Check with her. I'm not giving an opinion on it, because that way if it goes wrong, I say Scott did it. Alright, we'll get welding here in just a second. I got this thing kind of braced up. I don't trust hydraulics, so we got a couple of steel sawhorses. I got the board under it. I got another one under there, and I'm just going to weld out here. So that thing start moving, I'm going to jump out from under it. Where can I put y'all? Yeah. That'll be perfect right there. Alright, got it all welded up. Y'all don't say anything about my dirt daubing job. So basically this is what I was really wanting, because when it bent right there, it tore it off. So alright, what we're gonna do is put this thing on the ground. We'll go pull from bend it, and then we'll paint it up, and that'll be done. Got some helpers come by today. That one's Henry, and that's George. George, the white one, he's old. Henry's fairly young. He's probably maybe getting 2 years old, maybe. So we got this stuff kind of painted black, and they want to come over and visit. Probably want to give them, but that's not going to happen. They come over every morning, and they come over in the afternoon about 3. 2:15. So they want a little more food. So they actually live across the street. They're not mine. Well, that one, buddy gave me that one, but he went across the street with the white one. So, and they come by and visit every day, like clockwork. All right, we'll get this thing painted up and we're gonna go try it. All right, we got it hooked up. Go try this thing out. Hey, he touched. What'd you touch? The paint? All right, go. I'll go drop the gloves some more. Drop the glove. Gotta keep them. Not Madison's dog will come over and pick them up. There's Ice sleeping. She'll come ride with us here in a second. Ice. Here. Check this out. While she'll come in here, she knows what to do. Now she's big, she gotta get turned around. Wait a minute, close the door. Watch, she gotta get spun around. Once she gets turned around, she gets all the way on that side, look. And I got all my pedals. She's ready to ride. Alright, let's see what this thing does. Alright. Got y'all back there in the back window. Go over here and get some rock. You better come get that. I'm gonna tear it up. I give that to Scott and put it over for his mule. We got our fuel tank. Our regular road diesel, number 1. Get the tank put in. We'll get the off-road 1,000-gallon tank coming in. We'll take the one for off-road that's up there by the service barn. Bring back here. Picked up that water trough around the other way now. I'll clean all this by the tank. Oop, don't get the tip. I'll clean all that right by the fuel tank right here so I can pull up the pickup truck or the dump truck and get fuel. Now it'll be nice. I can fuel up out here by myself. I don't have to go run to town, grab fuel. I like using this scraper when we get paid for the job. Put this on, It'll slick up. Well, it does really, really pretty.